Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you're new here, our channel, this is where we drop YouTube graphic design tutorial on Photoshop weekly. And if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe now. So the size I used was 3000 by 3000 pixel. Click on create. Let's now I'll just bring in the design. Now here's the design. Now the next thing I'll do, I already saved this model. I removed the background and saved it so that it will be it won't take much of your time too. So here's it, and the color code is, look at it, this is the color code here. The link of all the resources will be in the description, and also the link of this will be in the description also. Now without further ado, let's go into view and new guides. As usual, 90% and 90%, and view again, new guides, horizontal 90%, and view 10%. On enter. Yeah, so what I'll do next, draw a box and write the headline with radius. Let me shift it up a bit. Then I write style that speak. And this is it. I'll just reduce the size. Okay, I actually cannot remember if this is the tagline, but let's just move on. Now what I'll do next is the Obi clothing, Obi eyes clothing. Ctrl C, let me copy it. Ctrl V. BS clothing. The font I used was let me give you this color so I can be seeing the text. Just increase the size. It's what I want. The font I used was Daniela. Yes, Daniela. And I Ctrl T and zoom. And I'll reduce I want to remove this space here. Just drag. Okay, so we are good here. I'll bring it to the down a little bit. Okay, let me increase the size. So I'm okay here now. I'll draw the shape I use. Give it, add radius to it, add radius. I'm good here. Let me see, let me give it a radius. This is okay. Then Control T. I'm holding my shift. Why I did that because I want to take it to the up, and I don't want the shape to change. Okay, I think I'm good here. Oh, I actually not realize that the UV clothing actually moved. This was not actually the color I used for this gown. I used a darker tone of the darker shade of the color. The color is 10160C. Let me leave it like this first, then let me bring in the background I used. Take this to the back. Just change the blending mode. I think to multiply, then I reduce the opacity. I already dropped the link of all this in the resources. The color code I used was 04. You can actually see it here. So now I'll go and bring in this. I'll scale it up, then hold my Alt and flip it inside and change it to, I think, collarbone. Yes, collarbone. I'll reduce the opacity a little bit and leave the opacity at 100%. Now the next thing to do, draw that this shape. Add radius to it. This is the color, the background color. Then I will bring it down a little bit. Most importantly, I will add stroke to it. And increase it a little bit. Let me make it 4. Give it this small stroke. Yes. Control C. I need something like this. Click on new and what you learn, reduce it. Just Ctrl J this style you pick, Ctrl J, bring it to the front, and write what you learn. Our services. Let me increase the line spacing a little bit. I think it's okay. Then the color was actually different. Let me pick the color. We're almost done, guys. Let me go bring in X. I copy this out so it will be easy for us. So here's it. And also let me bring in the contact details. You scale it down until yes, ready. Is what I wanted. Let's bring it up a little bit. I'm okay here. Now let me add all those check mark. If you have not gotten your graphic design essential bottles, I think this is the best time for you to get it. It's contain over 1,000 and more files. It contains background, PNG models, elements, fonts. They are just basic design elements you need as a designer. Select color range. Let me just select the black. Okay, wait for it to load and you mask it out. Control I to invert it. Yeah, convert this to a smart object. Convert this to a smart object. Give it a color overlay. Let me pick a color from here. Okay, this is the color code. Control T, scale it, scale it, scale it, scale it, scale it. I think I'm good here. Now just bring in a ruler that I can use as a guide. Then hold your alt and shift, then drag. Hold your alt again and your shift, then drag. Hold your alt. Do that for all of them. So we are done with that. Let me adjust the rectangular shape. Control T, hold your shift and drag it a little bit. I think I'm Control Z. Hold your shift while doing this so that everywhere will not, so that you will not scale everywhere. Now fold to shift everything. I think I'm okay here. Then the last but not the least, we're gonna add my models. Let me group this. Ctrl G. Bring in a shape. give it radius. Control T. I wanted to be something like this, but I feel this is now too kind of big in my eye. Control T. No need for that. Let me just leave it. May give it the same color as the background color. Add radius to it. Add radius. And let's raise it up. I want the two of them to be the same position. Then go to new layer, go to shape, and draw a rectangle. Make it, give it stroke. Let the stroke be pure white, which is FFF. Click on OK. Make the stroke 2. And add radius to it. Now what I will do, I will just let me give it color so I can see what I'm doing. I'll hold my Alt and Shift and drag. Then group the three of them. Control G and Control T. Then I'll hold my Alt and Shift, then drag. Take the two up. I'm good here. Let me shift it down. Now bring in the model. Let me bring in all the I'll show you how to do 1 or 2, then I will fast the remaining parts, and that's all for the video. Okay, hold your Alt and click it. Let me just show you this with example. Let me Ctrl J it again. Ctrl J, take to the next triangle. Duplicate this again. Then hold your Alt key and click it. I'm just showing you a practical example. Then Ctrl J it again. As many models as you are using, and hold your Alt, click it. So you continue doing that for all the boxes. Just bring the model, reduce the size, and reduce the size to fit the reduce the size to fit the shape, and you clip it inside. Now the last part, I think, is the address. Let me just go and copy the address. And this is the address. Yeah, so this is the end of the design, and this was how I created this wonderful design in Photoshop. Stay tuned for our next video, guys. Peace.